Hey there, I'm Jasper from UPDF. Today, I'll be helping you understand how to perform OCR, optical character recognition, across your PDF files on your device using UPDF. When converting your scanned PDFs into editable and searchable PDFs, this tool is definitely a go-to. Before we dive deeper into these methods, click that link below to install UPDF onto your own devices so that we can look at this together. UPDF offers an AI-integrated platform when dealing with your PDFs. Starting with the first and most reliable tool when using OCR on your files, this multi-purpose platform provides 3 different layouts for converting your scanned PDFs into editable and searchable documents. Starting with the first option, the text and pictures only option converts the PDFs' text data and images into editable content. However, it does not keep any transparent image layers, leaving no document formatting. Next, the text over page image layout option keeps the page image layers under the text, allowing you to easily edit and search for the document's text, and is also the best layout option for keeping document formatting intact. The last layout type, the text under the page image layout option, keeps the image layer above the text, allowing you to search through it but not edit it. Furthermore, you can define the image resolution with the available DPI values for easy detection. While setting the page range, you can define your own custom page range or select even odd page ranges for custom PDF OCR execution. After all this, for an example of how you can actually use this function for your own PDF, let's look at this step-by-step example. Step 1. Start by importing your scanned PDF documents by tapping on the Open File button and choosing the Recognize Text using OCR Tool from the right panel. Step 2. Next, select the document type as Searchable PDF and confirm the other settings, such as layout, document language, image resolution, and page range. After confirming all the OCR settings, press the Perform OCR button and choose the location to save your searchable PDF. Before performing the OCR, you wouldn't be able to make any edits within the scanned PDF or search for specific content. However, after executing this process, the document is nicely converted into an editable format with the option of searching written data within the PDF. UPDF's diverse functionalities with its OCR tool doesn't stop there. Surprisingly, it provides the reverse option of taking a searchable and editable PDF document and converting it into an image-only PDF. Using its MRC-based image compression technology, it converts the PDF document while compressing the size and still maintaining the document quality. Furthermore, you can define the quality setting of images within your document for size management. For an idea of how to convert these PDFs into image-only PDFs using UPDF's OCR tools, let's look at this step-by-step guide. Step 1. To convert your searchable PDF into an image-only PDF, you have to select the setting Image Only PDF as the document in the Recognize Text using OCR tool. Step 2. Then you have to select the quality of the images and page range. Moreover, you can use the MRC compression method to reduce the size of the image-only document. After going through all the settings, click the Perform OCR button and save your image-only document. You can observe that PDF documents that were editable and searchable before are now converted into simple images with this unique function. After the process, you will be unable to make any sort of edits to your document. As you're reviewing the essential operations of the OCR tool within UPDF, you might notice some differences when compared to other outstanding technology in the market. Unlike other tools, UPDF leaves no extra unwanted space in your document. Furthermore, it does not damage the overall formatting of the PDF after conversion, which is pretty common when looking at other competitors that offer similar features. To better understand this, we tried the PDF OCR tools offered by competitor PDF brands, most of which returned similar faulty results. Firstly, it was common that multiple text lines would overlap with one another throughout the document. And secondly, it was pretty common that entire text lines would duplicate. The spacing quality was not optimal, as most of these other tools would have inconsistent spacing of extra spaces or just no spaces in multiple locations. When compared with UPDF's OCR tool, the results are exceptionally different. All in all, while it retains the original formatting in the original document, there aren't any textual mistakes inside of the new converted document. While there's much to learn about UPDF's OCR functions, you'll be surprised to hear that UPDF is fully compatible with iOS devices. If you have an iPhone and a scanned image PDF, you can easily scan and copy the text of this PDF document using the mobile UPDF. A quick note, if you prefer more advanced operations for your specific use case, then leaning towards the Windows or Mac version of UPDF is probably best. But UPDF Mobile is really great for getting things done quickly and efficiently. Regardless, let's view the steps that will show how to use UPDF OCR functions across iOS devices. To apply the OCR features on an image or a scanned PDF, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Next, choose the Photos option to import the picture or the Files option to import a scanned document. Now, long press on the document screen and there will be several pop-up options. Choose the OCR mode from here. UPDF will begin to scan the file and highlight all the text present in your document. Now, you can easily copy, look up, translate, search the web, and share text as you wish. A quick note, this feature only works on iOS 16 and later, so if you find that there's no OCR tool on your device's UPDF, please update it to the latest version. And that wraps it up. In this video, you've learned the progressive techniques of how to take your scanned PDF and convert it into editable and searchable PDF documents. With a comprehensive review of all the essential tasks that you can accomplish using the OCR tool across all these different devices, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this video to learn more on how to optimize your PDF management. Until next time, I'll see ya.